So I was at work and I got a notification that my Bowmar nutrition package showed up. So I was like, I'm freaking going on lunch to go get my stuff. We got the protein popcorn. This is cheddar and caramel Chicago mix popcorn. I'm so excited. I'm always down for like a salty sweet combination. Oh man. We got the apple pie butter, which I'm also really excited to try because I love anything apple pie, and I really think that I need to get some vanilla ice cream because I feel like this would be delicious on top of some ice cream. We got the original Bowmar bars, the protein hot chocolate brownie bars. These are supposed to taste like those like cosmic brownie things. Everybody says they're delicious. They actually feel pretty freaking soft too. Surprise! And then they came out with a new flavor, the sugar cookie Bowmar bars, and I decided what, better time to try their bars than when you can get 2 flavors instead of 1, because they offer you a discount when you buy more than 1 box. So I decided to get both flavors. Wow. These ones are really soft. Oh, I don't know which one I want to try first now. Also, let me know if you like, unboxing things like this, and if you want me to do more in the future, because, I buy things on a regular basis. Alright, so it looks good. I mean, it smells a little proteiny, let's be honest. I feel like all protein bars have that, like, protein flavor. Wow. You get a little protein bar flavor at the end, but I'm impressed. It's actually really freaking good. That's way better than I thought it was going to be. I was a skeptic when I first was like, I'm going to try these protein bars. Wow. It is really soft, which is really nice. It doesn't feel gritty. It's got a really nice texture. 230 calories, 8 grams of fat, 20 carb, 20 protein. I'm not mad at that at all. And honestly, the little bit of protein kind of flavor that you get, it's really not bad. It's really, honestly, I really don't even think I don't think it's like a protein aftertaste now that I've had a little bit more of it. Wow. If you like those cosmic brownies, I wish Nate would let me videotape him, because I wish I could try him, film him trying this. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try the sugar cookie one now. I feel like I need a palate cleanser, Okay. Struggle is real. Arm day. Hashtag arm day. Still doing good on time. Alright, so this one looks way more fun because there's like some icing on top and some sprinkles. It has that protein bar smell, kind of like the other one did, but now you smell this one too. Yep, no, this one smells less protein bar like. This one smells more protein bar like. But I don't know, that could also be like vanilla extract. When you get like a big whiff of vanilla extract, like you can kind of only smell like the alcohol that they use. It's so soft. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be, which is actually really pleasant because it doesn't have that like too sweet, trying to be too sweet, fake sweet taste. That's actually really freaking good too. Like sprinkles every once in a while, you get like a teeny little bit of crunch, but it's not crunchy. Like this thing is soft. Wow. Wow. That's almost like, you know those fluffy sugar cookies that you get with the really good icing on top at like Walmart or like around the holidays? Those ones. Those are my favorite freaking sugar cookies. Wow. Wow. Freaking nailed it. Wow. It was definitely vanilla extract that I smelled. That's amazing. So, definitely top flavor is the sugar cookie for sure. But like the protein hot chocolate bar, that one is really, really good too. Wow. Freaking nailed it, guys. Nailed it. Alright. Well, now I might as well just try the popcorn too while we're at it. We are 6 minutes and 50 seconds in. Hang on. It smells like smart food. I just was talking to one of my friends about smart food the other day. Oh my god. I'm gonna end up eating the whole freaking bag. Wow! They need like a Bowmar supermarket. That is so good. Wow. That's really freaking good. Well, that's gonna work with me. I'm not gonna bring the whole thing, otherwise my co-workers will be like, I want some, let me try that. And then it'll be gone. Wow. That doesn't even taste remotely healthy. Like, that doesn't taste like protein at all. Doesn't smell like protein at all. Wow. This is just gonna be 10 minutes of me saying wow, but let me tell you guys, I'm not mad at this purchase at all. No. Except for the popcorn that's about to get stuck in my teeth on a regular basis. It's the only thing I'm mad about. Alright. Last but not least, the apple pie Bowmar butter. This one is a high protein almond butter spread. So it's not peanut butter, it's an almond butter. It smells like apple pie. Should I stir this? Does it say to stir? It doesn't say stir, but like, I'm gonna stir it. I mean, it is almond butter after all, right? Okay, come on, bitches. I will say that's probably my least favorite thing about almond butter or like peanut butter, any type of like butter, is the whole like, you gotta mix it before you use it nonsense. there's sprinkles in here? Well, I guess you might as well just have, oh yeah, with patriotic sprinkles it says. I was gonna say, are those red, white, and blue? They're really going out on the America pie, I'll tell you. Okay. I think I got it all mixed up, or at least pretty well mixed up. I'm never gonna be able to get this off the spoon. It looks a little gritty. I have like seen other reviews that have said like it's a little gritty. But I feel like all almond butter is a little gritty because that's just like, you know, almonds. I mean, they're nuts and they have this like thick skin on them, so like, you know, it's gonna be a little gritty. Oh God. Okay. It's different. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's a little gritty, but the flavor is really surprisingly good. I'm surprised at how much more it tastes like apple pie than it tastes like almond butter. Like I was expecting a really strong like almond flavor. I don't taste almonds at all. I just taste apple pie. And I'm not mad at it. It's just so weird because like, you know, you taste almond butter and you get this like, you know, it's almond butter and then it has a little something else. This is just apple pie butter. And you know, the grittiness of it, it's not bad because it almost tastes like ground pie, as weird as that sounds. Wow, that's really good. I'm not sponsored, guys. I bought this stuff with my own money. I wish I was sponsored because this stuff is delicious and getting it on a regular basis. That would be amazing. But I definitely will buy again and I highly, highly, highly recommend you check them out too. I'll leave a link down in the description below. And of course, they also have, you know, an Instagram. Just like me. Future Courtney here. I decided while I was at it that I would add in the workout that I did that morning in this video for you guys, just so that way you can, you know, learn a new workout to do at home. What you need are dumbbells, and if you don't have dumbbells, you can also use 2 full water bottles because, you know, that'll provide enough resistance if you haven't been using any resistance at all. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I see you in the next one. Please follow me over on Instagram for daily content. @ConsistentlyCourtney is the place to be. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope I see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.